Hey campers, in today's 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday, I want to go over the 2026 16BH by Sunset Park RV.
The Sunset Park 16BH is an awesome camper that only weighs 2650 and has a 150-pound dry hitch weight. Comes with a 2-inch ball, two 20-pound propane tanks. This one has a power tongue jack. We have 4 stab jacks, power disconnect switch, pass-through storage, at least 100 watts of solar up top. This one actually has 190 watts up there. There's a walkable roof, 6-gallon water heater, outside shower with hot and cold water, and more. These are Amish built out of Indiana. They have a lot more options. They're a lot tighter put together than the competition. Over onto our side, we have our black tank flush, dump station down below, 4-inch bumper on the back to store things inside. This 16BH is a huge fan favorite and comes with double awnings, a double step solid step entrance, external propane connection, and more. We have LED light strips underneath both awnings, a rear porch light, and wait till you get inside. This one comes with a full-size spare tire, residential style fridge with a double door, nice sized dinette, bunch of overhead cabinets all the way around, and one of those flips down into a bunk. We have a rooftop AC in here. And this is that cool bunk cabinet option that I was just talking about. Wardrobe to hang our clothes up in. Full-size bed with access underneath to get to that pass-through storage. And even a full kitchen with a huge farm-style sink and a 3-burner stove. We're prepped for TV if you want that kind of thing. And we have a beautiful bathroom with a fan and skylight.
Thanks for sticking around and watching this week's 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday. If you like these kind of videos, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Keep on coming back for more and watching these uploads. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you all next week.